Well, our vision is basically to provide superior customer product support that has developed over many generations and bring that into the truck market.
We always feel that our Kenworth dealers, that support us locally as well as out on the road, give us every benefit to be as successful as we can be. And, they make us feel like our problem is their problem, okay? Every time.
One of the things that we really work closely together on is a fleet support program whereby we have dedicated specialists that assist them when their truck is broke down or has an issue within our own area of responsibility or outside our area of responsibility, and they're charged with working with other Kenworth dealers to maximize uptime to get that vehicle in and addressed in a timely manner.
The Kenworth program really is very key to our success. It provides us with information that we can use to make decisions, for our driver and for our truck and for our customers.
Typically what happens is the driver will get a report, either a check engine light or an issue, and that will go into Central Oregon Trucks breakdown department, and they would notify our fleet support representative, and we would be able to start determining what course of action we need to take based on the information that we have. Call ahead to those dealers that are in that traffic lane and start trying to get an appointment or get something set up.
Really provides us with information in which we can, and our operations group and our drivers can use to make decisions. Mm-hmm. They're frequently looking for opportunities to, hey, how can we make Central Oregon Truck Company more successful? Truck Tech Plus really, again, is another means to provide us with information, and which allows us to respond. It allows us to know, how much time, what is the severity of the code. So again, it's another form of communication that would allow us to make the correct decision in order to not have a service failure for our drivers and for our customers, but also to take care of the truck.
We've been working with telematics for a while now, and Truck Tech Plus really takes it to a whole new level, where we're more proactively getting information even before the driver would report it into their breakdown department. And with our group monitoring those emails, we're able to advise them of the need to either, one, get into the dealer right away, or two, delivering that load before we address the issue. So they really rely upon that relationship and that communication to help them determine what they need to be doing with that truck and that load.
And that really should be the goal of the Kenworth dealer, is make sure the end user is happy, satisfied, and that the product is producing revenue. If my truck does have a problem, and this comes back to my Kenworth dealer and their dealership network, their relationships with other dealership networks, is how fast can I get my truck back out on the road? Because I'm losing money. He's moving down a road, and all of a sudden he's stopped. He can't move. So who has eyes on that? What sense of urgency is there? And how quick are they going to fix their product that I've paid good money for to get it back on the road? And I think Kenworth, as a OEM and as a dealership network, does that for us better than the competitor.